going to the gym is difficult, especially for the people that are working in the office or having things to do, have kids. It's difficult. Everyone is talking about it because you need to go to the gym every day. You need to start, watching what you are eating. But the thing is that I don't have that time. Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Tina here, and in this video I'm going to share with you some secret hacks of my fitness transformation where I embarrassed my healthier lifestyle and of course lost extra kgs. Get ready to know all these small hacks to improve your fitness journey. Let's hit it up. Step to a successful fitness journey is to be consistent. But in this video, I want to share with you the simple hacks that is easy to maintain. I know that if I go to the gym and do a proper workout, I can lose 500 to 600 calories per day. But the thing is that I don't have that time. I cannot be in the gym all the time, spending time. Yes, I used to go to the gym for 2-3 hours daily, but now my life is a bit different. So I have to, manage my time to get the best of it. So what I did, I set a goal for my burning calories during the day. I said to myself, I can go to the gym every day in the morning and just burn 200 calories. I can do weight, I can do cardio, I can do whatever. I can do Pilates. I just want to burn 200 calories during the day, weekdays. For me, in my case, is like that. Weekdays, I do that. And during the weekend, when I have more time, I will carry weight or I will, do something like other sports that makes me burning up to 500 to 600 calories per day. So that's easy because you start from that. Just burn 200 calories per day, every day for the next 2-3 weeks. Diversity in your workout is essential because you cannot keep doing the same thing, the same workout in the gym. First of all, your muscle memories will get used to it and the improvement will get slower. And second of all, which for me is the main one, is that your mind will get tired of doing the same thing all the time. Then you won't be able to, be consistent on what you are doing. So try to diversify yourself. For example, for me, one day I do cardio, another day I carry weight during the weekend, and I also found an interest in sports where I play tennis and burn up to 600 calories, and I'm quite happy of doing it. So you need to find that kind of balance in your workout and in your fitness journey to be able to be consistent. They say six-packs are built in the kitchen, not in the gym. And it's true, because you need to watch what you are eating. For me, I was even eating healthy, but I was overeating. That's why where I was going to the gym and I was not seeing much result, I could just maintain what I have. Then I started looking into what I'm eating. I started to using an app called Lose It to count my calories and how much I'm eating. So then I gave my data and my goal, and then it came out with a result of how much calories I need to consume daily. So then from there, I started watching what I'm eating, and it's become kind of a habit for me that I won't eat before I calculating how much calories I need. That was very helpful for me, and I'm sure if you try that, it's gonna be easier, because I was thinking that eating healthy is okay. Then I found that no, even eating healthy is not okay. You need to eat enough if you want to lose the little fats in your body. So darling, listen to that. Download the app. I will put the link in the description below for you to go for it and do it. Let's just do it. If you are enjoying this video, make sure the subscription button below. Try. Let's get back. Changing your diet is challenging, but it's a mental game. You need to know how to program yourself without even feeling any pain. It's true. I'm gonna share this hack with you because it's very easy and it doesn't pain. For me, I love eating sweets. I don't eat ice cream, Coke, I don't eat all those things, but I love to eat sweet small things like digestive biscuits, honey with yogurt, this type of things. But I start telling myself listen carefully, how I start program myself like this. I promised myself, I just said that only today don't eat sweets. only for today. And my mind sometimes was playing with me when I was drinking coffee. The biscuit was there, I never took it away because I already bought it and it's in my house, so I don't want to waste my money. So I just said that, not today, maybe tomorrow. And the next day, I did the same thing. And I just tried. I said, not today, the next day. And finally, I look at myself that I didn't eat sweets for 2 weeks without any pain. Maybe only the first or second day was a bit painful. You might get angry, your mental health will be more challenged, but trust me, this is going to be an easy way if you want to change your diet. And write a comment below and let us know in our community if you have tried this method before and if it works or not, or how do you program your mind in a healthier way. Yes, this is all about today's video, and I'm sure if you be able to just start and apply these small hacks in your fitness journey, you will be able to see results. So please give a thumbs up to this video if you like it, and share with us if you have any other methods to make your fitness journey easier. And the last thing, remember that it's not only about losing weight, it's about becoming a better person, a better version of yourself. And I hope this video works and help you in your fitness journey. And I will be sharing more videos, more contents like this, and I hope you like it. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and join our little family, and I will see you in the next one.